Job description. Reporting to the Chief Information Officer, the GM, Integration and Governance is accountable for leading the governance and integration of all aspects of IT within the CIO and at the enterprise level. The GM, Integration and Governance, will provide strategic recommendations in support of integrating and aligning IT initiatives and activities with the business roadmap and objectives to enable the achievement of key business priorities. This role is accountable for providing oversight, direction, and integration of significant complex changes as it relates to IT across all business domains. In addition, this role will make strategic decisions based on findings from integration/governance assessments and industry best practices. Job responsibilities. Functional/technical. Lead the governance and integration of key IT priorities within the CIO and across all business domains. Establish governance fora with key stakeholders to foster two-way communication and influence the adoption of governance and integration principles, standards, processes, and plans. Accountable for IT prioritization across the Canada Post landscape to ensure appropriate governance and achievement of key Canada Post objectives. Lead the development and implementation of IT project governance policies, procedures, and standards that align with industry best practices and organizational goals. Lead governance processes, reporting, and review frameworks across the entire IT portfolio to provide a holistic view of all operational integration activities. Govern financial, portfolio execution, resource capacity, and portfolio status analysis frameworks. Lead interdependencies and coordination across multiple projects and across all business domains to ensure that information relating to project deliverables, risks, and issues are effectively communicated between stakeholders and that key performance indicators are monitored and evaluated. Foster collaborative and mutually supportive internal and external relationships with senior stakeholders and cross-functional teams. Provide advice, engage, and influence key stakeholders to enable the development and implementation of operational integration plans. Support and influence the centralization of intake for all IT initiatives. Design change management strategies to drive successful strategic change outcomes. Contribute to the development and enhancement of integration and governance standards, processes, and tools to increase efficiency and effectiveness. Enable continuous improvement of integration and governance change-related processes through regular stakeholder engagement, process reviews, and tracking of key metrics/performance indicators. Job responsibilities continued. Leadership. Be an evangelist, championing a culture of innovation throughout CPC and foster a digital mindset from the top down. Identify the skills required to enhance digital maturity, realize business benefits, and encourage staff to enhance and evolve their skills and capabilities. Drive collaboration, knowledge sharing, and digital best practices between IT and the business to create a seamless and satisfying customer experience leading to positive business outcomes. Act as the liaison between external partners/technology service providers and the business, representing business needs and safeguarding CPC business interests. Take responsibility to advance the digital dexterity of business partners and present new business options and opportunities based on successful digital examples. Qualifications. Education/certifications. Completed post-secondary education, preferably in computer science, information systems, technology, business, engineering, or a related field and/or equivalent combination of education and experience. A master's or professional level degree, e.g., MBA, an asset. Experience. Minimum of 10 to 15 years of experience in a senior leadership role managing people successfully. Minimum of 10 years of experience managing highly complex projects. Strategically minded with an understanding of business and technology to drive business value and financial objectives. Ability to execute a strong level of influence to ensure technology strategies are understood and adopted to align with business strategy. Strong interpersonal skills with a demonstrated ability to liaise with internal and external stakeholders and adapt approaches when dealing with technical and non-technical audiences. Sound organizational, analytical, judgment, and decision-making skills with proven abilities in problem-solving.